Today we're testing bacon-based Polish kebab, a commercial-worthy duck, and a burger seen by 7 million. Will these tricks change your cooking? Time for the big test. Forget about boring sausage from the pan. Here we take out the inside and stuff it into buns. It looks like a brilliantly simple and quick trick, perfect for a filling lunch or snack. Is this a new, better version of a hot dog? I have to check it out. So what is it? The bun, and here the inside of the buns is hollowed out. Alright, I think it looks great. That's the whole secret. Here I have raw white sausage. We cut it here and take the meat out of the casing. Wrong. Damn, that's wrong. Mozzarella goes inside, yellow cheese, but in my case it's mozzarella. I think that's what the recipe called for too. Oh, you little pig. I'd eat it already. Maybe it's not raw, but you know, probably not. Listen, this is our Polish white sausage, and here I also bought a Balkan one. I'm really curious because they look really nice, these sausages. Oh, the casing broke. 2 sausages are going in. Definitely into one. I'll tell you, this one smells much better. Oh no, this one didn't turn out so well. Much less. We're putting them on the grill, my friends. The grill is hot, we can put them on. Listen, and we're putting this on the belly side. Alright, I'm closing the grill. What happens next after a moment? Let's grill the bottom of the bun for a bit, or not. I mixed them up so much I can't tell which sausage is which. Look how it cuts open. Oh no, it's raw inside. See, too soon. It looked great. He stuffed it well too. Well, listen, we'll wait a bit longer, but I thought it would be done inside by now. Oh well, let's wait a bit more. Listen, give this sausage a bit of shade because it's cooking for too long. I thought it would set much faster. My God, I'm drooling. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Delicious. This cheese does the trick. For me, it's a simple grill, family, golden drinks, flatbread. I serve something like this and everyone melts. Mwah, absolutely delicious. This is brilliant. Suego. I think I already left. I waited. Chichu, go ahead. My new discovery for the grill, believe me.
To me, it looks like a really good casserole. Roasted, compressed. Let me tell you this.
Can I wave a little?
For me, this is a Polish tried and true zapiekanka. It's so rustic that I feel like I'm walking in the countryside. You know, I enter a village and there's a restaurant with a 4.8 star rating and they have the best zapiekanki. You walk in and they say, hey, I've never had one like this before. Everything's usually just piled on, but here it's truly baked. Hey, such delicious things from the grill, it's insane. You know how well it turned out for you?
To sum up, for me, this is a discovery. It's delicious. You see, there aren't even any spices because the sausage itself is already seasoned, really. Well, let's go, let's eat.
Not me, I won't rate it a 10. We'll give it a 10, but I give it a strong 9.
For me, it's a 10, guys. Try it yourselves. They're super easy. Maybe a bit of that mini sausage, but the big ones turned out more crispy. Let's keep going. 7 million views don't come from nowhere. This isn't an ordinary burger. All the magic and the secret of its success are hidden deep in the meat. This video promises an explosion of flavor with every bite. I'll check what's actually inside, and if it really blows your mind, it's definitely going to be fatty. It's going to be intense. First, we put the meat into the bowl. And now cheddar cheese cut into small cubes. Add some jalapenos. Mix everything together. Oh wow, and we'll make a ball. All right, I'm shaping the ball now. I'm also making a bigger one like in the video. If you've made a burger before, you know a patty this size makes a small burger. He did the same thing in the video using a ready-made spice mix. Beautiful. Listen, I'll put this in the fridge because in the meantime we're going to work on the bacon. The grill plate goes into the grill. We need to heat it up gently. Hand-cut slices of bacon. Oh, that's beautiful. Do you see that? We're going to put it on the tray and grill it. And in the meantime, while the bacon is getting seared, we'll get started on the sauce. Mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and this Worcester sauce, plus pepper and salt. Don't be stingy. A teaspoon of chopped pickled cucumbers. Some of that spice mix, I think the same one that was used for the meat. I'm not sure, that's how I saw it. And now I mix it all together. Oh wow, this is so good, but it's missing one main ingredient. Pause this and write in the comments which ingredient is missing. That's right, the one that's usually made under the grill. Our sauce will gain in flavor. Damn, it sizzles beautifully like the sea. Now we need to drain the fat, but listen to this. That should be a crime. How can you put bacon in the sauce? The cheese sauce has absorbed a strong flavor and the burgers are going on the grill. Ooh, I'm seasoning it lightly from the top. Well, it looks really awesome. $700, I don't know why. People probably watch this and get excited, and I'm just starting to drool. This should be shown to kids who don't eat. Well, they're going into big buns. In the meantime, I'll throw some cheese on the burger in a moment. All right, I'm putting them right on the grill. The cheese is melting and we're assembling everything soon. Guys, this is quick. Sauce first, then burgers on top. Oh damn, guys, and sauce again, go big or go home. Look how beautiful that looks. Come here, Christoph, the world started to cry. The world started to cry, we're about to commit this sin. It's a sin.
It's a sin!
This is half gone already.
Oh, let's open it right away. How's our Friday today? Nothing looks good anymore? Oh, that's a good piece. Wow, delicious.
Good, but I'm not sure since the meat had cheddar and jalapeno mixed in. Next time I just put everything on top. Honestly, it's too much unnecessary fuss. I don't think this meat is special because of that. I don't know.
I really like the taste. No, really.
It's very good, but mix it separately, cut it into cubes. I just toss everything on top and finish twice as fast.
It looks great. It's huge.
Serve this at your burger joint and it'll be a game changer.
I'm not sure it's special just because it's different. With toppings like tomato and cucumber, everything falls out, and here it's all just bang, 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 done.
So I asked if we should check if it really blows your mind. It blew mine. My head is still hanging on a bit, but it's really, really good. Better than making pork neck, believe me. Let's keep going. The glaze shines so much it's hard to believe it's homemade. These drumsticks are supposed to be the definition of juiciness hidden under a crispy skin. They look great, but I'll see if the sweetness and crunch are really perfect. I have another question for everyone, including you, Goli. Do you wash meat from this type of packaging? I've come across a few opinions that when people see me wash chicken breast or meat like this, they're like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? You'll just spread more bacteria. All those bacteria will die during baking or frying. People ask, you didn't wash the meat? What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious, or maybe we'll argue. Now I'm moving on to the bowls. Granulated garlic, oregano, as you can see, 2 heaping teaspoons of each. Here we have red paprika and cayenne pepper, barbecue sauce, honey, lemon juice, olive oil, and we mix everything together. So what now? We dip it, coat it thoroughly. Listen, I set all this meat aside for at least an hour to let it marinate. I'll meet you at the grill in an hour to start cooking. Ready to cook? We're grilling. I'll just throw it on with my hand. We're not going to be fancy here. So listen, we watch, we check, we flip, and the magic happens, I hope. And listen, we still have a bit of marinade left here, which we'll use to baste our chicken. Well, I'll tell you, we stepped away for a moment, and when I flipped it with the glaze, it got a little burnt, but it's fine. Let's put it on the plate and I'll show you in a moment. Did you see the new grass that came up? Look.
Just a single one, like a beard.
A clasp.
I don't mean to be rude, but if Martian's getting a railroad worker, this is the hair station. Greetings, Martian. You know, that's because you're in Disneyland.
Have fun.
Have a good time, yeah. And we'll just tend to the chicken here.
Lexo burned it a little for you, but that's grilling.
This grill is dancing here.
What? So what? This?
Which I really like. A woman, but well made. So hot.
But the breading isn't crispy.
But there's a hint of sweetness and spiciness, a bit of heat and cheerfulness.
Is this balance of crunchiness and sweetness satisfying? It's sweet, but the crunchiness, listen, just isn't there.
Oh, Jesus, this is so good. I really love honey, seriously. That's why I'm telling you that hint of sweetness is delicious.
No, because there's honey here. But it's not crunchy, it's juicy, damn it.
For me, it's perfect for lunch.
I'll say this, not exactly, but it turned out looking crunchier.
But it has to be crunchy, it's delicious, it's sweet.
It's good, you know, no worries. Instead of pork neck or sausage, you can make something like this. You saw it really doesn't take much time. We'll do something else I already suggested. Maybe you can make one recipe.
I'm not great at it, but I'll try.
Let's keep moving. There's something running around in the bushes. Oh shit, what is that? A lizard. You're not afraid? Well, no.
But maybe it's a snake?
Our Polish kebab juicy bacon on sticks goes straight onto the tortilla. The only question is whether it will be too heavy, or on the contrary, will it become a new tradition at our barbecue. We've got the tortilla, the bacon, and as you can see, the vegetable ingredients. We'll make it a bit richer because I only saw pepper and tomato there, and we'll add some salad and cucumber too. But I don't know if a kebab without mixed sauce will work. But alright, let's go folks. We're wrapping the bacon on the skewer. But we're making it thick. I've got raw, smoked raw, and I've got this boiled one here. We'll make two and we'll see which one turns out better. Maybe you'd like to see ready-made marinated grill dishes like those in supermarkets. Let us know, it's what we're here for. Universal grill seasoning, listen, they're almost all the same. Goalie, we're throwing it on the grill. I found a flattened skewer and I'll tell you, the bacon would stick to it more easily. And it would be easier to slide it on here because, you know, the fat would stick to the wood, but with metal, well, it turns a bit. So that's a little tip. And soak the wooden skewer in water beforehand so it won't burn on the grill. And the bacon will definitely stick to it better. With the metal one, it's a bit worse, but it's reusable. It's up to your preference. What's going on here? Oh, nice. All right, Golusia, now I'll take out 2 tortillas, 25s. And now in the video, it shows how they folded it. In my opinion, there's too much tortilla, but okay, we'll make one like that and the other single just rolled in half. We'll drizzle a bit of oil, olive oil, and put it on the grill for a moment because the meat is almost ready. All right, just a moment, wait. Just like in the movie, I'm arranging the veggies here. It was colorful, some pepper, tomato. All right, I'll add a bit of salad myself. There has to be some salad and cucumber, yeah? And then I take it like this, grab it here and wrap it up. Oh, damn, that's a cool trick. It's better to eat it like this, on a stick.
What kind of tortilla is this? This is a mini tortilla.
Very simple, this is kebab.
Oh, roll, but I see it's red. Is it going to be spicy? Yeah.
Maybe a little. You brute. Yeah? Is it really that spicy? Kajishu, let's do this instead. If it's so spicy, just open your tortilla and remove the spicy stuff. You get used to it. Honestly, I added it just to make it look nice.
You know, I would never have guessed that this is bacon. Never would have said it's meat. But you know what, man? It's missing some sauce.
That's exactly what I was talking about. There was no sushi in the video. Kebab without sauce isn't a kebab, right? So yeah, very easy to make in my opinion. Damn, it's a rocket. Nice. Really nice presentation, you know, because maybe it's not about some amazing idea, but it's a cool way to serve it. I highly recommend it. More veggies, cucumber, tomato. It's a rocket. I really like the taste.
Really? Like I said, it's the sauce for me. Without it, it wouldn't be the same.
Give me the sauce from the middle.
That's why I'll give you an 8.
9 is so strong.
As they say nowadays,
world class. Listen, but I won't let you off the hook. You have to do it. Stay. I will. See you in the next one.
Because you know I'm the best when it comes to eating.
I love the taste. It's brilliant. This is my second find like this. Both you and I messed up my dough.
I forgot to poke holes. And again, I'm like, no, 2,000 calorie diet, eh? But today I probably ate twice as much.
A skewer like you've never had before. Potato and sweet potato in a loving embrace with bacon, baked in foil so all the juices stay inside. It looks like a hit for fans of hearty grill sides, but will the sweet potato overpower the rest? We'll find out in a moment.
Well, hello. Arksy likely sent me for an easy recipe, and I hope I can manage it. Sweet potato with regular potato and bacon shouldn't be too hard, right? All right, but first things first, we start by slicing the potatoes, right? Because we're going to make delicious skewers out of them. If you're wondering why I'm leaving the skin on, it's because the skin is healthy. It instantly reminds me of bonfires when we'd leave the potato in. The first step is just slicing the potatoes into rounds. The grill is heating up and the grill plate is popping. Our potatoes are ready, so let's prepare the sweet potatoes next. Let me tell you this, I used to really like them, you know, that bit of sweetness and all, but now somehow I just don't enjoy them anymore. Somehow sweet potatoes have lost their color after a year in Poland. And we do exactly the same with the sweet potatoes. We cut them, they'll be a bit different in size, but that's the point because we'll alternate them. Sweet potato, potato, bacon. After cutting the potatoes and sweet potatoes, we move on to cutting the bacon. Done. In half, and now for each skewer, what are we going to add? There's one right, in half and done. Now let's get started. Watch what's going to happen. Potato done, sweet potato done, and bacon done. And we keep alternating until the end. Great. And now the most important part, we place it so that we can wrap it up like a piece of candy. Done. Spices. Lemon pepper, because Kamer showed it to me. It's a real game changer for me. Like I said, whenever my wife makes some chicken or something, it's just delicious, you know? That's why we don't hold back. So when I say we don't hold back, you know, I might have overdone it a bit. Oh God, what a mess. I'm sorry, I forgot. You see, I don't have that experience yet that you need to drizzle a bit of oil, a little olive oil, so the spices stick better, right? And now we can calmly go back to seasoning again. All right. That should be enough, goalie, right? Let's keep adding a bit of pepper, of course, and salt, so the potatoes are salted. This way, once we've seasoned it enough, I wrap our kebab tightly and it goes on the grill. And we put it on, right? Man, I'm really proud of myself doing things like this. That's serious business. In theory, we keep an eye on it the whole time, checking every now and then, but it shouldn't be less than 30 minutes, right? Because it's a potato, it needs to cook through, the sweet potato too, everything has to work together and finish, so about 30 minutes. But we keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn, so it turns out good, right? In the meantime, you know, while something is cooking so we don't waste our time, we'll make garlic sauce. Oh, 1 spoonful, maybe a bit more, since we can add it anyway. Mayonnaise, plain yogurt. And then we take, here we have garlic cloves, we add the garlic, mix it so everything combines nicely. We add a good amount of pepper and salt, and the sauce is mixed. Now we'll just take out the potatoes. The first ones might not be perfect. Here, that's how it turned out for now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll do this quickly. First with Parmesan, it looks so good. There we go. Oh, good. That's experience, that's experience. And just a little bit of that, you know, just symbolically, because not everyone likes greens like in broth. I wonder if it will be good.
I didn't hear Prim calling. Exactly, I'm calling. This is spicolets.
Yes.
And how is it?
I guess so, right?
A big potato, wow.
Take a potato for yourself.
Sweet potato, and don't tell me how I should eat.
It doesn't impress me. It's not some culinary monster that would mess everything up for you. It's tasty and I'll just serve it, that's all.
You made a good sauce. I think it's the sauces and those extras that really do the most work because they season it even more, right? If I went on like this, I'd write a book about this guy. He probably read about grilling in there, right? It looks nice, tastes good. What more could you want? I'll definitely eat the whole thing.
Hope you enjoyed it. Those were some grilling recipes and my suggestion. Thanks, take care, see you.
Yum.